Welcome to our channel, everybody. Today we're going to be sharing with you a very exciting recipe which we're happy about. So today we're going to be making a creamy strawberry vodka shake. I learned this recipe from my husband, so I call it my unique strawberry flavored vodka shake. So the first thing we need to do with this is we need an egg yolk. So we're just going to separate the egg white from the yolk. I'm going to use an old-fashioned way. It works, and that's my way, but if you have a better way, even better. So I think it's working. Yeah, and voila, I have my yolk. So I'm going to put it in a separate bowl, and then I'm going to get some vodka, some pure vodka, which is strawberry flavored, because I want my shake to be strawberry flavored. So we're going to get 2/3 of a cup, which is like half the size of the cup which I want to serve it in later when I'm done doing the entire mixture. So we put it there, and then we're going to get a bowl in which we're going to mix up everything, which is the egg yolk. Just make sure we put it all in there because it's very important for this recipe. And then we're going to add our vodka, which was 2/3 of a cup. Just pour it in there. And then we're just going to mix that up. Make sure it's very consistently mixed because you really need that yolk to mix well with your alcohol for you to be able to do the next step and be successful at this. So we're just going to whisk it very well. The vodka is going to change color a bit because of the yellowness of the yolk, but that's how you want it to be. That looks awesome. So in addition to this, we're now going to add our cream, which is going to make our shake super creamy. So this has to be whipped cream that you can just buy from a supermarket or any store nearby, nothing special. So we're just going to add in a generous amount of cream. The amount of cream you add will determine how thick your mixture is going to be. So for me, I think that's enough. That's generous enough. So we're just going to whisk that all together. And as you can see, it's starting to form like this really nice thick layer on top. It's starting to look good. So just mix it up well. So whisk it until you're comfortable with the consistency of your mixture. I think at that point it's good for me. It looks good from here. So as you can see, there is a nice layer on top which is super thick. Awesome. So what we're going to do is we're also going to cut some fresh strawberries, because since it's strawberry flavored, we also want to use just this natural flavor of the strawberries. And besides that, strawberries just look awesome for garnishing. Like the redness of it is just awesome. So we're going to cut them into small pieces. For making a glass of this, I would recommend between 1.5 and 3 strawberries. Beyond that, I don't know how that would be unless you really just like strawberries, but I don't think it would work well for the mixture. So between 1.5 and 3, of which I used 1.5. So I'm just going to continue cutting those into small pieces because I really want it to mix well with everything. So small nice pieces will be good. Don't make them too big, please. Just small pieces are awesome. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put everything into the cup in which we're saving it in. So the first thing is you put your strawberries at the bottom. Put a generous amount in there. And then you're going to pour in your egg yolk, vodka, and cream mixture. Look at how thick that looks. It's awesome. Look at the thickness of that layer on top. That looks awesome. That's how you want it to look when you're saving it. So when you lift your glass, you should be able to see 3 layers. The bottom part, which is usually mostly the alcohol, and then you have your strawberries in the middle and that nice cream on top. So to garnish it, we're going to add some more cream on top, some more whipped cream. Just put it on there. Like, there are no rules about it. Put in as much as you would like. There, that's enough for me. And then you're going to put on some strawberries on top just to make it pop. So just a bit of strawberries on top. You leave some just for the garnishing. So this is just to make it look awesome. And that's how your shake should look. Your creamy strawberry vodka shake. Awesome. I hope you try this, and if you enjoy, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and buon appetito a tutti. Enjoy your shake, everybody. Until next time, ciao, bye bye.